10 unexpected factors that could be weakening your eyesight. How your mental state is influencing your vision. Is your screen time dimming your sight? The silent threat to your eyes. The consequences of aesthetic gaze. Hi everyone, Sviatoslav here. Today let's dive into the top 10 less known factors that might be put your eyesight at risk. You might be surprised by what can impact your vision. First, the power of negative beliefs. The mindset you hold about your vision can significantly influence its health. Many of us accept that notion that our eyesight will be inevitably worsened with age, or that after a certain age, deterioration is guaranteed. This simply isn't true. Holding onto these limiting beliefs can subconsciously deter you from taking action that could actually improve or maintain your vision. Second, constant visual strain. In today's digital world, our eyes barely get a break. Staring at the screens for extended period of time without resting, blinking less frequency, it all adds up to considerable strain on your eye muscles. Imagine holding a weight in a fixed position until your arm cramps. That's similar what happened to your eyes. Learning to relax your eye muscles is essential for their health. 3. Sunlight. Starvation. Yes, too much sun can be harmful without a cap on the head, but too little can also be detrimental to your eyes. Lack of sunlight can weaken your eyesight by reducing your retina's activity and overall visual acuity. Direct sun gazing is bad. Ensuring your eyes receive gentle, indirect sunlight is beneficial. Check out the sunning technique video on my channel. Fourth, lack of eye movement. Our eyes need exercises just like any other part of our body. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to low eye movement with low circulation. Encouraging your eyes to move and look around, to focus on objects at various distances, can help maintain eye focus and even improve eye health. Embark on a journey toward clearer, healthier vision. Eyesight Academy is your ultimate destination for mastering natural and effective techniques to enhance your eyesight naturally. Link in the description. Fifth, suppressing yawns. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's a natural reflex that helps relieve eye tension. When we yawn, our facial muscles, including those around the eyes, relax. This can momentarily enhance our vision. So let those yawns out and help your eyes relax in the process. Just look at something and yawn. Vision instantly get clearer for a moment. 6. Cultural neglect of eye health. Unlike physical fitness, which is widely promoted, there is a noticeable lack of emphasis on visual health and preventive measures to protect eyesight. This cultural oversight means many of us grow up without the knowledge or habits necessary to support our eye health and vision. 7. Lack of eye health maintenance and low vision prevention. We often don't learn how to prevent eyesight deterioration or improve it naturally. Clear vision habits are not widely taught, leaving many to default to corrective lenses or surgery without exploring other options. Understanding how your eyes work and addressing issues like eye muscle spasms can lead to significant improvements in vision. 8. Insufficient sleep. A lack of adequate sleep doesn't just leave your eyes tired and strained, it can also lead to long-term vision problems. Sleep allows your eyes to rest, repair and replenish essential nutrients, recover retinal cells and see better. Eyesight is always sharper in the morning when eyes are well rested. 9. Stress. Chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure and the exacerbation of eye diseases like glaucoma and optic neuropathy, affecting eyesight. 10. Excessive alcohol consumption. Heavy alcohol use can lead to toxic optic neuropathy, a condition where toxic substances like alcohol cause optic nerve damage, leading to vision loss. Final thought. Understanding and addressing these factors can significantly impact your vision improvement journey. It's about nurturing a healthier relationship with your eyes and body, embracing natural and proactive methods, and trusting in your body's ability to heal itself and adjust. Eyesight is a precious sense that requires more than just a corrective measures when problems arise. By recognizing and addressing these less known factors, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining and even improving your vision. If you found this insight helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to share this video with others. Have any questions or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below. Top 5 harmful habits that can ruin your eyesight. Our eyes are constantly exposed to a variety of screens and environmental factors that can impact our vision. Some habits can inadvertently damage our eyesight over time. In this video, I will share common habits that can harm your eyes. First, excessive screen time. Spending prolonged hours in front of screens, whether it's a computer, smartphone, or television, can strain your eyes. It leads to digital eye strain, also known as a computer vision syndrome. Eyes need break and rest. Second, not blinking enough. Staring at the screens for prolonged periods can reduce your blink rate, causing dry eyes. Blinking helps keep your eyes moisturized, so consciously make an effort to blink more often. Holding devices too close. Holding smartphone, tablets, or books too close to your eyes can strain them. Maintain a proper distance to reduce eye strain. Fourth, not getting enough adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to dry eyes, eye spasm, and blurred vision. Prioritize a good night's sleep to allow your eyes to rest and rejuvenate. Fifth, not managing stress. Any stress will strain your eyes first, because the eyes is the most sensitive part of our body. Practice stress management techniques like meditation and deep breathing to support your eye health. If you want to learn about 30 bad vision habits and how to overcome them, check Eyesight Academy course, a link in the description below. Stop squinting your eyes, because it's a bad habit of impaired vision. People with clear vision don't squint their eyes. Squinting puts your eyes under pressure instead of a relaxed state. Only in a relaxed state, your eyes can refocus properly into the distance. All micro muscles of the eyes can function properly if your eyes are relaxed. Squinting affects normal blood flow and regeneration and recovery of your eyes. When a person squints, his eyes get tired super fast. I remember myself before, when I had myopia and bad habits of poor eyesight. In the evening, everything around me was blurry because my eyes could not handle this extra pressure from squinting. I highly recommend starting natural vision improvement with relaxation and stop squinting your eyes immediately. The main 3 mistakes when you try to see something without spectacles. First, very often people with nearsightedness, when trying to see without spectacles, they strain their eyelids, or in other words, squinting their eyes. This is a bad habit of poor vision. Second, our eyes can see well and focus well only if our eyes and eyelids are relaxed. Under pressure, eye muscles cannot relax to just focus to a different distance or different object. Myopia, in other words, called a spasm of accommodation. Eye muscles are stuck in one position and cannot relax to adjust eye focus. It's like, for example, bending a hand with a dumbbell and holding it for 1 hour until the muscles get spasmodic and cannot relax. Third, rare blinking causes tiredness of the eyes and retina. Dry eye syndrome can appear without blinking. Soft blinking every second is one of the most important ways to improve vision and eye health. If you want to remove spectacles, you need to quit bad habits of myopia or hyperopia. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course. The link will be in the description below. Top 3 tips to get rid of spectacles. First, just give your eyes a little rest to reduce the spasm of accommodation, at least every minute. Close your eyes for a few seconds and feel how your eye muscles relax and relieve strain from your eyeballs. Second, do not strain your eyelids when trying to see something. Don't squint your eyes. It is okay if something is a little blurry. Blink a few times and come closer to see it. Third, learn how to blink softly and every second. It will help your eyes to recover, to relieve eye strain. Blinking is the most important exercise to learn to improve vision naturally. It is very easy and you can do it everywhere. Top 5 vision damaging habits to avoid for better eyesight. I'm here to uncover the common habits that might be quietly reducing your eyesight. Learn to recognize and respond to the initial indicators of eye fatigue, preventing myopia and maintaining the health of your visual system. Low vision habits are widespread and can gradually lead to visual deterioration. Let's dive into the 5 harmful habits that lower eyesight and discover ways to counteract them. The silent threat of ignored eye strain. The problem: daily eye strain is a silent enemy. Many of us push through the discomfort, not realizing that ignoring the early signs of fatigue can lead to eye muscle spasm and ultimately myopia, nearsightedness, which is like a put lock on your eye muscles with spasms and losing distance vision, eye focusing function. The solution: you need to feel your eyes and body's signals. At the first hint of eye fatigue, take a break. Allowing your eyes to rest can prevent long-term damage and keep your vision sharp. Second, excessive screen time. Screen time or screen trap. Hours spent staring at the screens can strain your eyes, leading to digital eye strain, characterized by dryness, irritation, and difficulty eye focusing. Did you notice after long screen time, you're looking far and everything is blurry? Eyes cannot switch focus because eye muscle exhausted to squeeze the eyeball, making look instead of a ball like an egg to look at a close distance. To combat the damaging effects of excessive screen time, it's crucial to implement mindful habits that protect your eyes. Aim to reduce the duration spent in front of the digital devices by taking regular breaks. Regular screen breaks help relieve eye strain and support healthy eye function. Furthermore, consider designating screen-free times during your day, especially before bedtime, to minimize artificial light exposure, which can disrupt your deep sleep. Adjusting screen brightness to match your environment. A crucial technique is to ensure your workspace is ergonomically set up to maintain a proper distance from your screen. An additional strategy to shield your eyes from the potential harm of prolonged screen time use. Prioritizing these habits not only fosters better eye health but can also enhance your overall well-being in our digitally dominated world. Unlock the secrets to lifelong vision health with Eyesight Academy. Alleviate eye strain and revitalize your vision with holistic eye care practices. Link in the description. 3. Yawning. The natural eye reset you suppressing the problem. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's natural reset button for your eyes. Enriching them with oxygen and reducing eye muscle fatigue and tension. However, society norms have taught us to curb this natural reflex, making our eyes suffer a much needed release. The solution: embrace yawning, especially during moments of transition like waking up, during screen times, or preparing for sleep. This simple act can rejuvenate your entire visual system and even lead to instant improvements in vision clarity. Fourth, restful sleep. Sleep for restorative vision, overcoming tensed sleep patterns. The problem: This state in which we fall asleep can significantly impact our rest quality. Falling asleep with anxious thoughts or eye tension sets the stage for a night of restlessness, affecting our eyesight. Over time, the solution: incorporate relaxation techniques into your nightly routine. Listening to meditation or practicing facial muscle relaxation can help for deeper, more rejuvenating sleep, contributing to better eye health. Fifth, breaking the habit of squinting, a path to relaxed vision. The problem of squinting might seem like a temporary fix for unclear vision, but it's a trap. This habit puts extra strain on our eyes and can lead to a vicious cycle of worsening vision and increased dependency on specs or corrective lenses. The solution: adapt a relaxed gaze. Regularly practice looking at object without squinting, regardless of clarity. Exercises that involve tracing text on a page or with your eyes can train your brain to process visual more efficiently, reducing the need to squint. Wrapping up, overstraining and suppressing natural reflexes like yawning, sleeping with tension, and squinting are habits that over time can significantly impair our vision. By addressing these habits head-on with simple, conscious changes, we can protect and even improve our eyesight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or additional tips. Let's keep the conversation going and help more people see the world more clearly. See you in the next video.